Ever wondered why your SQL queries slow down? Large tables and missing indexes are often the culprits. As data grows, these issues can lead to long wait times and frustrated users. Inefficient joins and filtering can further impact performance. A query that runs smoothly on a small dataset may crawl on a larger one. Understanding these factors is crucial for optimization. To optimize, start by selecting only the required columns. This reduces memory usage and speeds up queries. Avoid select. It fetches unnecessary data. Proper indexing is key. Use indexes for where, join, and order by clauses. This helps the database find data faster, improving query performance significantly. Using limit can reduce result size and enhance performance.
It's especially useful for dashboards and reports.
Optimize joins by using index columns and avoiding unnecessary joins. Xplain is your friend. It shows how a query is executed, helping you identify bottlenecks. Regularly using Xplain can lead to better query performance. Regular monitoring and tuning are essential. Archive old data to keep tables manageable. This practice ensures your database remains responsive as it grows. Explore optimization differences between MySQL and PostgreSQL. Each has unique strengths. By understanding these, you can tailor your approach for optimal performance. To learn more, visit csharppointer.com.